Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Well Secret. In this review video, I would like to actually introduce to you this cloud app auto responder, right? And this is called ProfitSend. So in front of me, this is a sales page. It says finally create new available killer, right? Cloud auto responder that you send unlimited email and SMS without the push with a push of button or from a dedicated IP and SMTP sending server and come built-in without any bundle fee and no restriction and importing absolutely zero downtime, right? Okay, so unlimited cloud, all this is some of the features that come together of all this auto responder. But so when you first see this kind of cloud app, the first question you may be asking, how does it differ from the others autoresponder available get response? Definitely there is a lot of differences here. Especially for this ProfitSend, I have seen a couple of the similar cloud app before. But what is the uniqueness of this ProfitSend? There are a few key things here, right? What I can highlight to you, it comes with the SMS sender also, right? And it comes with a dedicated IP and SFTP sending server. Then come built in, means you don't have to pay extra for your SMTP, right? A lot of this cloud app, they doesn't come with the SMTP. You have to fork out your money to pay monthly SMTP and end up a lot of configuration headache and also a hassle, and at the end you feel this doesn't work for you. But this one is a bit different, right? It comes with a lot of things built in. It even have this Instagram's app also built in, Instagram traffic app, the Instagram's poster engagement app is also been built in as a part of that. There are 3 steps here: log in, and you see two second step you have to learn list of built-in of. This is very normal to all of the autoresponder. And step 3, enjoy profit sucking commission making, right? So this is the sales page. Don't take your time to go through the detail of the sales page. Let me quickly show you to the dashboard of the ProfitSend. So when you opt into the ProfitSend, you are going to see this dashboard, or on the left hand side, the drop down menu, you can see campaigns, automation, list, template, sending, and SMS. The social media lead gen, so you can actually use this feature to generate from this Instagram, right? Okay, so first thing first, as usual, most of the autoresponder, right, you need to actually can create a campaign, right? So you can create a campaign, right? So it's very simple. You create a campaign here. You can actually choose a regular or pin text, right? Let's say if you choose a regular, right, it's very straightforward thing, right? Okay, so you can choose which actually is a subscriber. There are some subscribers. This here example, we are going to choose this and just click next, right? Okay, so it's pretty much a very standard thing, and you can choose a template also here, right? Untitled, and this is also just click next, right? Okay, so so this is, you need to put the deploy to, so just click next, right? Okay, so as usual, you can actually choose a template, the email template you want to use for sending out this email build form. They are rough customer template, upload new template. They say you start to build form, so you can choose a term. Okay, there are term to be choose, right? Okay, and the gift card, different okay, names, right? Okay, so for the purpose of demo, you will not actually see all these term, yeah, but the actual software, you actually have the terms, so you can schedule, confirm. So pretty much is how the campaign should work. And there's a second part of automation, where you can automate when people opt into your list, you can actually automate the first email to be sent out. You can give actually testing, so for example. Okay, you choose a mailing list, for example, you just do through this one, just get automation was successful, right? So when people opt into the list, you actually trigger this automation sequences of the email, what we call it. So you can define the sequence of the email here, right? And you can actually add the email, okay? Design the email with condition. This is pretty much is very standard to most of the autoresponder out there, right? Okay, right. So I won't go into the detail. This is really pretty much. You just need to follow the step here. You're able to define all these autoresponder, right? automation. This is where you maintain the list. I think the good thing about this kind of cloud app is you can import unlimited list, right? Okay, so you can create a list here, right, and get the name of the list, everything. Then you can actually import the list, right? So there's some of the list I already imported. Just have a click on the subscriber. Okay, so you can actually add the new subscriber. Okay, right. Okay, you can actually import subscriber. Okay, you can define the segment. It's a page also. It can actually create a sign up form. Right, thank you page. Everything's a sign up form. Everything is really standard, right? So this way you import the subscriber. You can have a 2 maximum CSV file. Okay, you can use CSV file to import, right? So as usual also, so here is a template. Okay, template is something like you want to create certain template of the email so you can reuse it again and again, right? Okay, so this is where you define all the template and you can actually create a template based on the different template, and actually you can set this as a template 1 or 2, and when you send an email next time you can just choose from the template. So that's the idea behind how the template works, right? Okay, so this is pretty much the same. Upload and you can create a new template also, right? Okay, there's a sending. Sending is already where you define the sending identity. Okay, sending identity, you may define the senders. You can define the sender here, right? Another way is you may have your own hosting email, so you need to actually have a new sending domain. Example, you have a domain 123.com, then you need to actually put in a domain here, right? Example, like just for example, okay, just save here. Okay, again, this you have to actually do this setting in your hosting. This is actually to set up your email that tied to your hosting. So when you send out the email, you can actually use your hosting email address instead of Gmail or Yahoo Mail, right? It's very important you use your hosting emails to actually to increase the readability of the email. So that's the idea behind this, right? Okay, so there's sending identity setting. Okay, so the cool thing about this ProfitSend, it comes with SMS, right? You can send an SMS from this single platform itself. Okay, so you can have this you can define the list of the here you define the list and the contact number, and then you can trigger the SMS here, right? So that is a cool part about this app. But other thing that come together is a social media lead gen, right? Social media lead gen is actually is module by itself inside this platform, whereby you can actually add your Instagram account here. I think you can support multiple Instagram account. Just add your account, right? Okay, then you can actually start engaging your follower in your account. Okay, you can message them, you can send them message, you can send them direct message also. You can even create posts and send them the post also, right? So this is basically the whole idea here. So by having this profit center, we have a 3-in-1 thing. You can send email as an autoresponder, you can send SMS, and you can actually use it to actually grow your Instagram follower and get feed traffic from Instagram, right? And here is way how you engage your Instagram. Under this, you can do a posting, and there's a chatbot inside, built inside also. Set up a chatbot, okay? Right. So there's a pretty much this very complete suite of Instagram's engagements, posting, everything have been message sender have been actually been integrated as part of this whole autoresponder. So that's pretty much a really fantastic thing, right? So you don't have to buy a separate Instagram's tools to grow your Instagram follower. That's the whole idea here. So that's basically this the feature of the ProfitSend. Is a pretty cool thing, and bear in mind there's no SMTP you need to purchase. It's all come together already, and it's also with a dedicated IP. Okay, let me quickly take you to my review page of this ProfitSend. Okay, so these are some of the pro. It's a fully cloud-based autoresponder, 100% SMTP built-in, newbie friendly, pre-integrated dedicated proprietary sending server. They have their own sending server. You don't have to buy a separate SMTP sending, allow you to instantly import this, get rid of monthly payment. There's no monthly payment. Okay, it's going to save you a lot of money subscribing to available or this platform that charge you monthly, right? So that's the idea. So overall, I'm giving the rating 10/10, right? Okay, so my in the case, Lado is a creator of this app, and $17 is starting. So here is some of the explanation about what is it and what the feature. It's a long list of feature here. It's a fantastic app, right? Okay, right. So you can also take a look at this front end and OTO. Right? So front end is an unlimited cloud app with no restriction. It's a dedicated SMTP is come together with this front end, built-in dedicated server proof for best delivery. My goodness, for the price of $17, you are getting this no brainer, right? Okay, start mailing today and make your first affiliate sale. Okay, unlimited. Okay, upsell one, ProfitSend commercials developer license. This will come with a commercial profit license, meaning you can actually provide email marketing service to the other people by using this pro version. Unlimited is everything, right? And even have a screener coming backup this store also. This screener is really important to help you to clean the list. Malware protection, ProfitSend Enterprise none for you campaign, and upsell 3 none for you edition and reseller also. Also this is couple of other things, right? So this is my review about this the result your boss improve marketing result with skyrocketing sale and massively increase profit, right? So this is a lot of advantage that come together with this ProfitSend, which I think I doesn't see in any of the previous cloud app, right? Okay, so definitely this is an advantage over available get product we are using. At least you don't have to pay monthly fee, and there is no also hassle accepting an SMTP. And the good thing is I got SMS sender and integration with the Instagram's traffic generation also is been built inside as part of the module here. But okay, so that is pretty much how it do of this SMTP. Okay, I think you may know if you take a look at available how available is charging, right? Let me quickly show you to available's plan. Okay, this is free trial. Okay, you can see the pricing available. How pricing is 16 per month fee for the 500, and it also once increased, right? It can charge you to 46 just for the 500 subscriber. You're going to go for $50 per month. Means on a year you're going to pay 600 to available just for keeping the list inside here, right? So that is really huge amount of money you have to pay, right? So you go up to this, it can even go up to more 10,000. So imagine if you are getting the ProfitSend for one-time cost, you are not going to have this incurring cost to this, right? So you actually just for one-time cost, or even you get the this what you call the front end and also the OTO, right? This one, the upsell one, 37, right? It's only 50 plus, right? So it doesn't cost much to you, only one-time payment, and you are really getting a really reliable product here, right? Okay, right. So there is a fact about the recurring fee. You're going to save recurring fee, and it's come along with other feature. Let me also quickly share with you what are the bonuses have come together with this ProfitSend. First thing first, you're going to get the DIY money list, right? DIY money list is actually my own product. I have given you a 50,000 make money online subscriber. You can log into, you can import into your ProfitSend mailing list, right? And start mailing this 50,000 subscriber. So you don't have to worry, you don't have a list to get started. I will give you the list for you to get started. Inside this also, you will learn how step by step how you want to warm up the list, and also a couple of bonuses will teach you how you can actually get about the new list, right? Okay, so make use of these bonuses, right? The second one is email swap file. I'm giving you a 3,000 make money online email swap and 100K headline, whereby you can use this email swap to start sending email to the subscriber you are actually loading here. So this is going to work together side by side. Make Money Online email sequencer. This is one of my exclusive email Make Money on email sequencer, which I actually use it to warm up my list. So you can use this to actually to send to your new subscriber by using the automation to configure the 30-day Make Money Online sequences. Right? This is exactly how we make. Right? Okay, bonus to today, this is profit trick and tip how to increase email open rate and click rate. Right? So this some tutorial I have learned, something I have learned and I'm sharing with you as part of the bonuses here. Right? Next one is Smarty Builder. It's an e-commerce site builder which can use it use it build the e-commerce site. Funny Kitty is more like a click funnels. You can actually use it to build your funnel, the sales page, funnel page, delivery page. Mine for me is about building affiliate marketing course. They will teach you how to make 10,000 per month by using this training. SmartSlide Pro is 1,006 presentation marketing visual template you can use to as a marketing content to promote any product. You can export this in PPT into a GIF, image file, PDF, or even as a video. VidSpark is video creation app to get you more traffic and so all these are really high quality cloud app, and also BotEngage as a travel creation app for more traffic and so OutReachr is a wider traffic app whereby they can actually create a wider traffic to you when it's the referral system come into mind. This is how it works, and you're going to get you a lot of traffic by using this method. Affiliate store builder is a builder to actually build your affiliate store. You can actually have one single store to have your wider plus JV affiliate inside here, and also you are going to learn the 15 traffic method you will not know. You never heard of this also, and you can develop of this traffic source to get you a lot of sales and also lead. And also my very exclusive training on how to make money on that without selling anything. And Jono's TikTok traffic app is also here. This is how to get traffic from TikTok, and this is also another which is also going to complement what is given into here. This is actually JavaScript commission. It's Jono's Instagram traffic, and you can actually install in your this Chrome, and you can actually grow your Instagram's follower by using this tool. Right? Okay, pretty cool. So this is a special bonuses which actually come together, and you can actually have a look at the list of the special bonuses that come together here. A lot of traffic software, they are template, email marketing video training course, and also the YouTube marketing training course, opt-in and lead magnet capture template, and also there's a Make Money video training course I bundled together here from Journal Trainer. Their previous product we have been sold. Each have been sold few thousand copies, and they made a lot of money. So I'm sure this training is going to benefit you a lot, right? So that's it for me, my really mega exclusive, very premium bonus bundle. But the first few high quality bonuses, if for the first 12 hours, do act fast. Click the link below this video, and you're going to come to this review page, and just click this orange button, and just pick up this ProfitSend from the sales page, right? And you are going to get all my bonuses right together. You are going to get a one-time cost autoresponder and come together with the email sender, with the SMS sender, and also with Instagram traffic generation tools is also a big part of that. All right. So do remember to check out the OTO one. It's going to help you, as actually this under all the limitations here. Right. Right. That's it for my presentation about this profit send today. Pretty cool, pretty solid autoresponder, right? Okay, so act fast, and while the price is at the lowest early price, just pick up these tools and autoresponder, right? Thank you, bye.